Today very prime news highlights from SNH. Plusgrade acquires Oki, strengthening its position as a global leader in hospitality upselling. Montreal. Plusgrade, a global leader in ancillary revenue solutions, today announced its acquisition of Oki, an award-winning upselling platform recognized as the best upselling software for 5 consecutive years. Together, two trusted platforms are now united, bringing the best of both worlds into a single, more powerful experience. With the strategy combination, Plusgrade is building a unified upsell platform designed with the strongest features from each, so hotels and guests get an advanced, robust and comprehensive solution. This single experience will span the entire traveler journey, from pre-arrival offers to on-property upgrades and beyond, helping partners unlock more revenue while delivering more meaningful guest experiences. Oki has been awarded as the best upselling software for 5 consecutive years. Now, the leader in hospitality upsell will be powered by a global leader in ancillary revenue. By acquiring them, we are combining the best of both of our worlds, our products, our customer footprints, and our teams, said Ken Harris, founder and CEO of Plusgrade. We are thrilled to welcome Oki's partners, and in doing so, create what is now a premier portfolio of hotel and resort partners in the industry. This vast network of incredible properties will enable us to deliver even greater value and innovation to all as we accelerate our shared success together. Oki has built a leading reputation for helping hotels create upselling experiences that guests actually value, said Eric Tengan, co-founder and CEO of Oki. Now, with Plusgrade, we are merging the best of two platforms into a single experience to truly supercharge our ability to bring innovation and more revenue back to hotels worldwide. Together, we will set a new standard of what best means, because when the best comes together, everyone benefits. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?